All right, let's talk about something that can feel, well, huge and maybe a little intimidating: artificial intelligence. If you've been kind of putting it off, think of this as your friendly guide to finally getting started without any of the fear.
So, I'm just going to ask you straight up. Does the idea of learning AI scare you? Do you feel like you're way behind the curve, or that it's just, too complicated to even begin to understand?
If you answered yes to that, you know what? It's totally okay. You are definitely not alone. We're all trying to figure out this brand new world. And feeling a little hesitant, that's a completely normal place to start.
But we're not going to stay there, right? The whole reason we're doing this explainer is because of a really bold promise: to get you out of that fear of AI and show you what's really possible.
Because what's waiting for you on the other side of that fear? Well, it's a massive, life-changing opportunity. So let's dig into why this is something you are absolutely going to want to pay close attention to.
Let's just start with the biggest idea of all.